Today, we will explain how to fill in a tax code attribution form. Visit the following website: www.agenziaentrate.gov.it. Here we will select Cittadini, Istanze e comunicazioni, Tessera sanitaria codice fiscale modello AA4/8, Modello e istruzioni, Modello editabile, which is an editable form that can be filled in telematically. We will now try to see how to fill in the form together. Only the mandatory parts will be included. If the office needs further information, it will ask for them directly. Richiesta per se stesso. This box must be crossed when a person is requesting the tax code for themselves. Attribuzione di codice fiscale. This is for a first-time request only. I will enter only my personal data in section B. I will enter my surname and name, my gender by opening the drop-down menu. M stands for male, F for female. My country of birth, or the city if born in Italy. The province of birth will always be EE for people not born in Italy. My date of birth in the day, month, year format. I will then move on to section C for my address in Italy. The prefix can be selected from a drop-down menu. Then I can write the street name and number. Finally, I will fill in the section for my foreign residence. Let's say I live in Bucharest. At this point, I have filled in all essential data. I will simply have to sign in this part called sottoscrizione and deliver it by hand or send it by certified email or by regular email to an office of the Agenzia delle Entrate, together with a copy of my ID. Request the tax code for a third party, for example a dependent family member, I will have to flag the richiesta per soggetto terzo box, then attribuzione codice fiscale. I will enter the personal data as explained before, but the personal data will be those of my family member, and I will fill in only their foreign residence if they don't live in Italy. To subscribe, I will fill in the codice fiscale del sottoscrittore field with my tax code, add the date I'm submitting the form, and my signature. I will also attach to my request the ID of the person signing the form, in this case me, and a document certifying my relationship with the dependent family member I'm asking the tax code for. For example, a birth certificate or a marriage certificate, translated and certified by the competent authorities according to current legislation.